The Lives of the Saints by Father Alban Butler. August 27th, Saint Syagrius, Bishop of Autun. He is supposed to be by birth a Gaul, and was raised to the See of Autun about the year 560. He was present at almost all the councils that were held in France in his time, whether for the preservation of faith or morals. He was one of the bishops to whose prudence was committed the difficult business of re-establishing tranquility in the monastery of Saint Radegund at Poitiers. King Guntram, who greatly regarded his abilities, going to Paris to assist at the baptism of Clotaire II, chose him for the companion of his journey. That ceremony was performed at Nanterre in 591. St. Gregory the Great gave the most distinguishing marks of the esteem he conceived of his virtue and capacity. When he sent missionaries with St. Augustine to England, he recommended them to him and entrusted him with many important commissions. He granted him the pall and decreed that, for the future, the bishops of Autun should have the rank of precedence, after the metropolitan of the province of Lyon, even of those who were before them in years and consecration. Saint Syagrius died in 600. Edu and Usuar fix his feast on the 27th of August, but in the additions to the martyrologies, which go under the name of Saint Jerome, it is inserted on the 2nd of September. A celebrated relic of this saint is shown at Val de Grace at Paris.